Again after that, so in the month of summer, his friends like the Americans, they moved into the house after they had get it after they got it replastered, and the trees were pruned and the fence repaired. A month later, they complained to the lawyer. Who is the lawyer? A lawyer here? Juan A. Cedillo, the author. So here they had to complain saying that the local children were running over the acquired property. Who were running through the acquired property, children? The local children of Rio and Medio. When spoken to the children of Rio and Medio, they simply laughed and talked back in a good natured way in Spanish. So, what did the lawyer do here? He had to send word to Don Anselmo to come to his office for a meeting. After that, Don Anselmo came. It took 1 week again to arrange for a meeting, accompanied with the same dark boy, and he was clad in the same faded cutaway and carried the same stick. The lawyer explained about the local children overrunning the property the Americans had bought from Don. And as the eldest member of the community, he was asked that it was Don's duty to stop the children overrunning the property. But do you all think, children, that he agreed for that? Don Anselmo explained that the Americans were no doubt good neighbors and good people, but he had only sold the land and not the trees, for the latter belonged to his people. The lawyer explained to Don that he signed the deed wherein he had sold the land, the house, and all that grew on the land, including the trees. Don Anselmo explained that every time a child was born in Rio and Medio, he planted a tree and so those trees belonged to the people and not to him. He had no, what is that I told you, children? Hence, he had no right to sell the trees, for they belonged to the children. The lawyer realized that though the Americans owned Don's property legally, his generosity is accepting a lesser selling price for his land, and his property had to be respected. Eventually, the Americans bought the trees individually. It took them till the following winter to buy all the trees from the descendants of Rio and Medio. I hope everyone you understood it, children, and we'll have the reading comprehension of the lesson. I'll be sending the PDF to you all, and you have to complete all the means. That first one will be the MCQs, then with the 2 to 3 marks questions, then the extracts, children. So here we have completed this prose also, and we'll be starting with our unit test also. So I hope everyone you understood the lesson. So let the notes be clean, neat. Okay, complete every lessons with all the means. Okay, children, have a nice day. Bye. Take care. Stay safe at home.